In 5 days, this raging wildfire has doubled in size. It's left 24 homes in charred ruins, and thousands of people have had to leave. The fire has scorched about 54,000 acres in an area east of Lower Lake, which is about 110 miles north of San Francisco. It's the worst of 20 large fires being battled by 9,000 firefighters across the state. A separate blaze that killed a US forest ranger on Thursday near the Oregon border has also expanded, but remains a fraction of the size. Some 20,000 acres of shrub oak and bush were ravaged by the fire over a 5-hour period on Saturday night. By Sunday evening, the fire had blackened another 7,000 acres along the eastern flanks of California's northern coast ranges. Authorities said the fire destroyed 24 homes and 26 outbuildings and continues to threaten a further 6,300 structures. More than 12,000 people have received mandatory evacuation orders. 2,700 personnel, which is around a third of the state's force, were battling the fire on Sunday evening.